Hi everyone, in today's video we'll be restoring an LG Rebel 3, replacing the screen and making it look almost brand new condition. Let's get started. So one thing I do really love about LG phones and Samsung phones, especially the older models, it's very easy to actually replace the screen. You take off the back, the battery, and they usually have like 8 to 12 screws holding it down at the motherboard. And actually, when you take that off, you just take off the back bracket. It's actually pretty simple. That's one thing I really do like about LG and Samsung's screen replacements, or actually repairs. I forgot to mention at the very beginning of the video is that this is actually a customer's phone. A friend of mine actually hit me up and asked me how much would it cost to do an LG screen replacement. I searched up the model on eBay, and the screen was actually 20 bucks. I told him 60, so I actually profit $40. So it's pretty cool. I can do a screen replacement and make a video. So it was actually pretty awesome. Even though this is an easy screen replacement, this part was actually the hardest. Taking off the glass and peeling it off was really annoying because I was actually getting the glass pieces on my fingers. So after I took off the bracket or half the body, all I had to do was transfer the stuff, the camera, earpiece, motherboard, and etc. When I was holding the motherboard in my hand, the motherboard is very light. I mean, it feels like I was holding a piece of paper compared to the iPhone motherboards. After I took out the headphone jack and the earpiece part, I was basically done with the transfer. So after putting everything back into the new frame, I put the battery in, charged it up, and we're done.